If you're wondering and thinking about how you can get more productivity and higher level of production out of your key employees, then you might want to consider reviewing their block schedules with them. And so this is really the first starting point, is making sure they use a block scheduling and looking at their day, figuring out what their priorities are, and then laying it out onto the calendar in a realistic way that they can achieve their targets. And so block scheduling should be tied to targets, and it should allow you to tie time to the metrics that help that person win in their role. And so what you want to be careful of, though, is you don't want to make this feel like a micromanaging session. So you really just want to make it about, hey, I want to show you how I can save you time. I want to show you how I can help you get more results. I want to show you how I can help you make more money, right? Make it all about them and not about you wanting to control their time, but you wanting to help them win their time and win in the minutes of their day.